My name is Jillian, and I am a deaf educator and adult guide at the Clifford Still Museum. In anticipation of our upcoming exhibition, Clifford Still, Art and the Young Mind, the museum has been thinking a lot about families and community and the importance of using family-inclusive language. All families are unique and different. Families can be made up of many different configurations of adults and children. But what is most significant are the ways they take care of each other, work together, and, of course, play and learn together. There are a wide range of definitions for family that can fluctuate according to cultural and gender perspectives. Instead of a family tree, let's try something new and different to help us reflect on the people we love and what we care about. This is our caring community. Caring communities include people, places, and things that support you as a person. Let's create a caring spiral together. All you need is a piece of paper and something to write with. First, write your name or draw yourself in the center of a piece of paper. Now, draw a spiral from your name and make it as big as you can, going to the edge of the paper. Next, I'm going to reflect or think about who and what are in my caring community. As they come to mind, I'll add the people, places, and things that are in my caring community to my spiral. My brother is my best friend, so he goes really, really close to my name. I'll start with loved ones, people I care about and support, and people who care about and support me. And I also have my chosen family, which consists of friends all over the world that I've become so close to that I consider them a part of my family. I'll also think about, who do I love? Who loves me? Who do I support? I'll continue to add to my spiral. I'm deaf and autistic, so the disability community is a really important part of my caring spiral. My Jewish ancestors, music, art, and photography are absolutely part of my caring community. Remember, your caring community can include people, places, and things. Nature, outside, we can't forget our pets and our fur babies and our furry friends. I'll also include loved ones who have passed away, two of my closest friends, and my grandparents. Plants are really important to me. I became a plant mom during the pandemic. The racial and social justice movements are also really important to me and are definitely part of my caring community. My LGBTQ community. Thinking about my caring community spiral, I think about the things that are closest to me. And I also think about the global interconnectedness and how we're all connected to one another, near and far. By consciously choosing family-inclusive language at the Clifford Still Museum, we can bring to light non-dominant narratives, avoid exclusionary practices, and, ultimately, create a more inclusive museum and exhibition experience for all. Thank you so much for being a part of our caring community here at the Still. When you're finished, and if you're comfortable, you can post your caring community spiral to social media. We'd love to see who's in your caring community.